Hello friends, today I am sharing 3 tips to reduce bitterness in bitter goods. Wash and peel off 750 grams bitter gourd. Peeled skin can also be used. Now cut peeled goods in small round pieces. Remove hard seeds, if any, from the pulp. Put in a bowl, sprinkle 2 tablespoons salt, and rub well with soft hands. Rest these for 15 minutes. If you want to use peeled skin also, sprinkle 1.5 tablespoon salt, rub well, and let it rest for 15 minutes also. After 15 minutes, rub again for 1 minute or so. And then squeeze with hands to release the bitter juice. Around 1/2 or 1/3 cup juice will be released. This will greatly reduce the bitterness of bitter gourd. Wash with plenty of water to remove salt contents and any bitterness. Squeeze once again to remove water and spread on any surface for half an hour to dry. Heat a half cup oil at high temperature, add pieces to it, and then fry at medium flame till golden brown. After this, you can cook delicious and mouth-watering bitter gourd dishes of your liking in a usual manner, while adding chicken, mutton, dal or aloo or store for another day use. Wash and peel off 500 grams bitter gourd. Cut the gourd in a length slices. Remove hard seeds, if any. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons salt and 1 tablespoon lemon juice over the gourd slices. Rest for 15 minutes and then rub with fingers for 1 minute. Hard squeeze with palms to release the bitter juice. Dip in the water and rub for few seconds. Repeat again and then squeeze to remove water. Spread on a kitchen cloth or open pan to dry the slices. Heat half cup oil at high flame. Add gourd slices, reduce the flame to medium, and fry until golden brown. Wash and peel off 500 grams bitter gourd and make a lengthwise halfway single cut. And remove pulp and seeds with a peeler or spoon. Remove hard seeds from the pulp. Mix 2 tablespoons salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and coat the mixture thoroughly on the inner and outer sides of the peeled bitter goods. Keep aside for 30 minutes and then rub with your fingers and hard squeeze with your hands to drain out bitter juice of the vegetable. Dip in plenty of water and rub for few seconds and then squeeze to drain out water. Repeat again and spread on a flat surface to dry. Add gourd pulp, 1 onion slices, 5 green chili in a chopper to blend into a mixture or paste. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, a half teaspoon jeera powder, a quarter teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and a half teaspoon red chili powder, and mix. Fill the empty gourds with this mixture. Can be stuffed with keema, aloo mash, or dal, and sew with needle to seal the contents. Heat half cup oil at high flame, add stuffed gourds one by one, and then fry these at medium flame till golden brown. Adding gourds to high temperature oil also helps reduce further the bitterness of the vegetable. If you found this video useful, please share and subscribe.